In 2019, there were approximately 500,000 large truck accidents in the United States. Every fleet manager wants to reduce that number as much as possible. Thankfully, there are technologies available to help drivers meet the challenges on the road, prevent accidents, and keep their vehicles safe. The average truck driver travels 80,000 to 110,000 miles per year. A lot can happen in 100,000 miles, from bad weather to sudden traffic jams. It can be difficult for a person to react quickly enough to prevent every accident. But some technologies can provide drivers with an extra helping hand. Collision Avoidance System (CAS) is a system that uses radar, sensors, cameras, and even lasers to detect if and when a collision is imminent. It uses this information to warn the driver and can even brake instead of the driver. In the best-case scenario, CAS technology can help avoid a crash altogether. But in the real world, accidents still happen, and CAS can help reduce the severity of an accident. For example, rear-ending the car in front of you can be a much smaller disaster if you have time to brake rather than collide at full speed. Some automakers are also creating their systems, such as Honda's Collision Mitigation Braking System, CMBS. Forward Collision Warning, FCW. Automatic Emergency Braking, AEB. Blind Spot Warning, BSW. IoT and the benefits of collision avoidance. While we tend to focus on the most serious collisions, the reality is that a variety of small accidents occur every day. Over time, these small accidents can cost fleets a great deal of money. Collision avoidance systems are one way to help prevent small accidents. Currently, IoT technology has immediate benefits for individual fleets. But shortly, there will be even greater benefits as more organizations adopt and connect their IoT solutions, such as IoT intelligent transportation systems that use the IoT to automate air and land transportation. Systems like these will play an important role in the future of logistics. The IoT will strongly support communication between vehicles to avoid collisions, monitor crashes and update traffic alerts, and will continue to drive a smarter, safer road environment.